This is Mark Isselhart, Maple Specialist with the University of Vermont Extension, and this is another Vermont Maple Minute. Maple producers around the state are busy tapping trees. Large syrup operations with tens of thousands of taps begin tapping earlier than smaller operations. This early start is necessary so that everything is ready when the ideal weather for sap flow arrives. Tapping requires many skills and tools to be done correctly. Drilling the hole is a critical step in the process, but so is how the spout is seated in the fresh tap hole. The key to good sap yield and healthy trees is knowing how deep to seat the spout. Listen to the sound of the hammer striking the spout and feel for a change in the resistance to the tapping. The tone of the tapping sound will change and the hammer will bounce back slightly when the spout is well seated. Continuing to strike the spout beyond this point risks damage to the tree and reduced sap yield. Spout design varies greatly based on bucket or gravity collection and spout material. Producers should listen to the sound rather than use a set measurement for how far the spouts should be driven. According to research at the University of Vermont Proctor Maple Research Center, spouts that were partially overdriven saw almost 10% reduction in sap, whereas spouts that were fully overdriven saw over a 40% reduction in sap yield. Metal carpenter's hammers are the traditional tool used to ensure a tight seal between spout and tree, but many sugar makers are opting for lighter weight mallets to prevent overdriving. This is Mark Isselhart, Maple Specialist with University of Vermont Extension, and this has been another Vermont Maple Minute.